INRODA is a company from the year 1960. It has its founders, Mr. João and Mr. Roque. It is a family company. We started with the name of Indústrias de Roçadeiras Avaré, really because used to make use of truck differentials to make this drag brush cutter. So this was a great point, the great idea that INRODA developed under the name of Indústrias de Roçadeiras Avaré. Then came a great possibility for growth. So a large investment was made in the company to build this new factory. And this will bring great benefits to the city of Avaré and to the growth of the people. I think it must be good for INRODA and it must be good for society. So I think this is a strong point of INRODA's success. Recently, I received an offer to work as a plasma programmer with SigmaNEST software. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about how programming used to be and how it became later. We did all this practically manually. We did not have the option of an automatic nesting, which today is HD SuperNest. And we also had a bit of a loss. I could not sequence the same plate so as not to disturb the production. Today, with our new software, we can do all this automatically. This makes it possible for me to do a random programming. I can group the machine continuing with the same nesting that would add a piece of scrap today in the production. Today, if I can program 55 machines, then I would have one scrap left over just with the month's programming. We have a machine, a laser cutter, that we used to use another post-processor. And so one of the needs that we saw was to have a post-processor for this laser machine as well. In the past, we always had a plasma cutting machine. In 2021, we made an investment for 2 more plasmas and 1 laser, and we made an evolution with HD SuperNest, with PowerPack, and this brought a lot of results for the company, a lot of results indeed. So practically, to do a month's programming, we would spend around 20 to 30 days. So with this new development, with PowerPack, with HD SuperNest, nesting is automatic. We generate an Excel spreadsheet with all the codes. I can use the programmer for other activities. Today, on average, he will spend about 10 days. So we had great savings in process time, in programming time. So this is very significant. At first, in the conversations we had with sales rep Alexandre, we thought we were going to have an average gain of 20 to 30%, and we really proved it in the last 6 months. We had a savings of 30%, almost $1 million a month in sheet consumption. So this is very important for us to be competitive in today's market. So for us, it was a success story. We had savings of 6 million BRL within 6 months with the new software. So the productivity time today for you to program is very fast. Something that used to take me practically 30 days, 20 days to make a monthly schedule, today I do it in 10 to 15 days. You see? An exact sheet consumption that I also used to take 20 days to do, today I take practically 1 day, 2 days to be doing this plate consumption passing to buy the total quantity. So for those who are looking for an improvement in their company, I can tell you to look for this software. The savings, the productivity, I now have more time to do more things, you know? In the past, I didn't have it. I used to stay in front of the computer to program the plasma. Today, I can have freedom for another sector, you know? Then in the last 6 months, we did a follow-up. It is giving this average of 6 million in savings, so this is very, very significant. So the SigmaNEST tool with HD SuperNest and the PowerPack is really helping us a lot in this reduction process. The most important thing this software has brought us was productivity and savings. Well, I think the main advantages we had related to SigmaNEST were time savings for the programmer so he can apply other activities, be able to follow closely the results the company is looking for. This market we are living in, this great oscillation in steel prices, so this is very meaningful to us.
Então, resumindo,
So, to sum it all up, it is really time savings, productivity gains,
produtividade, né? Isso.
and this brings many benefits to the company. SigmaNEST was a good partner for what we needed, so it brought all the results we needed to develop the best yields.
Precisa para desenvolver os melhores rendimentos, né?